Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you a most delicious dessert recipe, beetroot halwa. As you all know, beetroots are fully packed with essential nutrients and it is very good source of vitamin like B9, C, etc. etc. So if you are worrying that your kids are not eating beetroot, so this is the best option how you can feed them. So before getting to the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. So here first of all I have taken the beetroot. As you all know, we have to peel off the skin and washed once or twice properly. Then I am grating it. So you can see I am using the maximum smallest hole to grate this, something like this finely. So let me grate all these things. See, our beetroot is ready now. So once you do that, then we have to shift it to the vessel. So I am shifting in such a bowl that we can able to shift into cooker once again. So our pressure cooker. So based on that, you shift into it. And one more thing, we are not gonna add a single drop of water also to it. Just we will be shifting it to a vessel and again shifting it to a cooker. As you all know, when you are shifting the into the cooker, just pour little water down and keep one plate. As usual, keep our beetroot vessel and allow it to have some 7 to 8 nice whistles. See, once it is get cooked, see how much water has squeezed out of this beetroot, though we are not even added a single drop of water also. Okay, so once our beetroot is cooked, the next process will start. It is very easy process, but though it will take much time actually. So I have taken one big kadai here and I poured some 4 to 5 spoons of ghee here because as it is a halwa, we definitely has to use little ghee. So I have used some 4 to 5 spoons of ghee and into that I am shifting our all beetroot, cooked beetroot along with the water. So you can see here and I just gave a nice mix so that all that will be mixed ghee with that. And now we will be adding the sugar. So only drawback of this halwa is using the sugar. If you can able to substitute with the jaggery, it is well and good. But when you are using jaggery, little kind of savory taste you will feel. That's all. But it will be very good actually for health wise. So now all that we require, we have to leave it cook for another half an hour to 25 minutes to half an hour. So again, all the water will be squeezed back by this beetroot. See like this. See total water is got cooked. Again, it has squeezed back by beetroot. Now, as it is halwa, I'm just adding little crunchy kind of cashew nuts and badams to it. Just with another small kadai with 1 spoon of ghee, I'm just roasting our cashew nuts and badam, the small pieces. So once it's turned into golden brown, add them into our beetroot halwa. So now that I can see little more watery content, so in the sim itself, I am just making it. Initially, you can cook it in little high flame so that all water content will be like just cook, keep on cooking. Then once you see the water content is been observing and it's becoming like thick halwa kind of texture, then you can make the flame little low and cook it once again. See now. Finally, our beetroot halwa is ready. This halwa, as I told you, you can store it completely for 1 week to 10 days in at your fridge temperature. Once it completely cooled down, you can shift it into the refrigerator. So that's it. Our beetroot halwa is ready. Hope you all like this video. Please share to your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.